Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Michi Makes Up. I'm Michi. Today I want to talk about a foundation I've been trying for some time. I came across it through an Instagram ad, and normally I don't click through Instagram ads, never mind make a purchase off of it, but this one really caught my eye. It's a foundation created for Asian women, Asian skin tones, and the benefits the foundation has is also really interesting. So I bought it, tried it, and wanted to share my experience with you. The top ingredients of the foundation is something that really caught my eye. And previously, whenever I've been looking for foundations, I rarely thought about what foundation can do for my skin. I really just thought about three kind of basic requirements, like could I find a shade that matched my skin tone, close enough, at least a close enough match, or what is the finish? Is it in a finish that I'm looking for, something I could wear comfortably every day, and does it last long enough? And any foundation that I do end up using over and over again is something that will last easily 6+ hours without breaking down and making my skin look really oily or requires a lot of touch-up. Looking on the website, Tahitian pearls is a top ingredient in this foundation. It is said to boost radiance, nourishes skin, and slows the natural aging process by improving metabolism, supporting detoxification, and protecting skin against environmental change. Pretty impressive. The second ingredient is called Evodia rutacarpa. I had to do some research on this one. It is a fruit commonly used in Chinese herbal medicine. It's proven to boost radiance in Asian skin, very, very specific to the ethnicity. The fragrant fruit targets skin's microcirculation to enhance brightness and improve skin's texture. The third ingredient, hyaluronic acid, is a hydrating ingredient. The acid has the ability to hold 6 liters of water and is clinically proven to diminish wrinkles, firm, and plump all skin types. So you're wondering, after reading the long list, that long description, what is this foundation? What is the name of this company? So here's a big reveal. The name of the company is Orse Cosmetics, and the foundation is called Come Closer Skin Perfecting Foundation. From the website, you can order a sample set. There are 3 sample sets available. The first set is called Light. It has 3 of the lightest shades out of the 9 currently available from Orse, and the second group is Medium. The third group is called Deep. The sample sets come in a box like this. And you take it out, this is a sleeve here. There is a card that has some instructions on how to find your shade. So first is applying 3 small sections near your jawline, and because each set comes with 3 shades, that's what they're referencing to. And then apply side by side vertically for easy comparison. Wait 5 minutes to let the foundation settle on your skin for optimal shade accuracy, and then finally view and compare the shades. There are some additional tips at the bottom here that talks about if it's a little too light, you can try the foundation as a highlighter. If it's too dark, try it for contouring. So what I thought was really cute are kind of the little miniature bottles the samples come in, and then it has a little dropper. And I would say the amount of product you get in each one, oh, actually it reads here, 0.1 ounce. So 0.1 ounce, I would say you could probably use the foundation for a full face look, maybe about 5 times or so. And if you get really crafty, maybe even more than that. And I would say 5 times is a single application. And after doing the test, I found that my shade was this one here called Selene. And the lightest shade is called Finea or Finea. And then the third shade is Lilium. Quick interruption, guys. I keep referring to one of the shades incorrectly. Lilium is actually Illum, shade 03. Illum is spelled I-L-L-U-M. It is the shade I have mixed with Selene to see if I would get a better match. I have it listed correctly down below. Sorry for the interruption. Back to the review. Let me swatch that now so I can show you guys. So this is Finea, Selene, and Lilium. And they're warmer. I would say Lilium is a warmer tone than the other two, but they all kind of have a warm undertone to them. Even though I am, actually today I'm wearing Selene and it's not 100% fit, but it's fairly close. It's a color I can use that I can wear in the winter time. I tried adding bronzer to Selene to see if it would be an even better match, and it got even closer. So that's an option I could do. I also tried mixing Selene with Lilium, so number 2 with number 3, and it became a little bit too warm for me, a little bit too dark. You can see here, while the foundation or the swatches haven't dried yet, it does have a bit of a sheen to it, and that could be due to the Tahitian pearls. I would say overall the foundation has a porcelain finish, very smooth. It is very creamy, so it's full coverage. In terms of wear, it doesn't quite last as long as the YSL foundations that I talked about in my other video, but I could wear this for a full day, I think very comfortably for 5+ hours. We're actually almost there. I'm at 4.5 hours right now at the time of recording. So it is a medium to long wear foundation, but it's not like a 24-hour long-lasting foundation. I think given the skincare benefits of this foundation, that's kind of, it doesn't lean towards just staying on your face without budging at all. It's about giving you some skincare benefits and then be pretty long lasting, so it gets you through most of the day. So the times that I've actually worn this for the entire day, I think at the probably 7 hours mark, it does break down quite a bit from oxidization, and it's not something I could just wear out after work. I would have to redo my makeup. It wouldn't work even if I touched up. So that's another point here. Ultimately, I did buy a full-size foundation in the shade Selene. This is what it looks like. Comes in a glass bottle, a thicker plastic cap, and the pump dispenses the foundation. You do get 1 ounce of product. It is made in the States. And this reminds me, you can go onto their website to read about the company's mission statement. They're trying to fill the gap between K-beauty, Japanese beauty brands, and European beauty brands. Makes sense to me, and as a shopper, the more options I have, the better it is, so I really support that idea. So does this mean that I'm going to repurchase this foundation once I would say I'm going to try other high-performance foundations with skin benefits just to compare. Or say, did open the door for me and now I'm opening to trying others. Should I try the others and find that it's not quite the same, or this is the best match I'll find at this time, I will repurchase this. And if you're wondering, is this a foundation that would fit you, something you can try, I would encourage you to go to the website, see if there's a shade that might be a good match for you, order the sample set, and if you like it, you can always use the $30 from the sample set towards as credit towards a full-size foundation. And if you don't have Asian skin tone, does this mean this is a foundation that you don't need to look at? Well, if you are looking for a foundation with skin benefits and you have warmer skin tones, you actually might find something that works for you. I think you shouldn't rule it out because it could be the perfect match. And finally, I do want to say I was not paid to talk about Orasé foundations or sponsored in any way. Everything that I've said here is based on my experience and it is my opinion. If you've had a chance to try Orasé or will be doing so, please share with me your thoughts in the comment section. I'm really interested to hear if you've had a great experience with it and what you thought of it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, like and subscribe. See you next time.